Gideon, are you eating a bluebird? Do you care to explain what's going on here? That's nasty, Toby. And you still got your cone. Gideon, let's see. Did you get a bird?
Yeah.
Gross.
Yeah.
Toby, you don't want any part of that. Ew. Hey, Cameron. Gideon's eating a bird. Gideon's eating a bird. You want one of your own? Go catch him, Toby, all right? Toby, you want to tell me what you got into? Hey, come here. Toby, come here. Let's see ya. A little bit muddy there. Did you get it? What you were digging for?
No, not me, not me.
Oh, don't get Gideon muddy. Come on.
No, not me, not me.
Gideon, did he get you? Hey, puppy. Hey. You got some mud on you there.
Oh, Daddy, Toby's trying to give me money. Hey, no. Get Katie. She needs to get more money.
Go, Karen, go. Go. Hurry, get away.
No.
Wow, got him.
Hey, Katie, look, I got my scooter. Daddy,
Toby, you are a mess. Come on, Karen, hurry. Get this way. Hurry, I'll film you. Go.
No.
Go, hurry. Go. 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 Wow, he got you.
What?
Don't throw your scooter down, though. Hey, Gideon.
Daddy, I can't ride after you. Help. I'm waiting for them. Yeah.
Did you guys tear up some paper towels out here? Huh?
Let's get ready.
Gideon.
Whoa.
Toby. Toby, did you get in the mud? Come here. Come on. Come here, Toby. Hey, come on.
Hey, Toby.
There you are. Let's see how muddy you are. Huh? Roll over. Whoa.
Yeah. Look at his paws. They have stuff sticking in him too.
Toby. Yeah, no, I don't think you're gonna clean them. Here you go. Ready, kid? Go get it.
You took my bracelets off. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Don't jump on me. Jump on Katie instead.
There you go, Toby. Toby, ready? Go get it.
There, let's hit him. You help me swing on these things.
That one? Okay, let's go. Hop on.
Hey, Toby! Toby! Can you put me on?
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Hold on. Ready?
It's a concrete mixer, but instead it has rocks in it. Watch it! No! No! No!
Get him, Toby, get him!
Yeah! Oh, Toby!
Go, Toby, go. Get him.
No, get Katie.
Don't hit him with that.
No. Go, Toby, no. Daddy, what's this ice ring on?
I think you have to wait your turn. Shh.
I like it. Maybe you like it.
Okay. Hey, tell everyone bye.